The beauty of working in Craft is the ability to connect all of your documents together. You can use links and backlinks to refer to earlier work, provide context, or even build databases of information for your team. It's easy to navigate between documents with backlinks in Craft, allowing you and your team to instantly get the information you need. Linking between documents is really handy when you're building a company knowledge base or wiki. You can create one central location for all of your company's vital information and add links to team or project-specific documentation without moving stuff around or duplicating content. You can create inline links between documents by using the @ symbol, using double square brackets, or highlighting a piece of text and clicking on the @ icon. Then you can choose from a document, page, or block of your choosing. You can also copy a link to a specific document by clicking Share, Export As, and copying the link. This can then be placed as a hyperlink in your knowledge base. For more quick tips and videos to help you explore the power of Craft, subscribe to our channel.